Hi, I'm back again here with one more episode of Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar. And today I am at Kudal. So we are going to visit the nearby places in Kudal like Salgaon, Kherwadi, and Mr. Bal Khanolkar, who is a local resident here and also a social worker. He is going to show me around and make me meet these local farmers, local fishermen who are going to share their secret recipes on fish and chicken and mutton. So guys, keep watching. Before visiting any of those exploring places for my cuisines, whenever I go to these various places on coastal belt, I try to see that I first also pray to God. And I am here right now at the this is a mutt basically, which is by the name of Khanoli mutt. It was a Khanoli Maharaj who has resided here, and this is about 150-year-old mutt temple. I'll just show you around this. So we will just go down, take blessings of the God in this Datta Mandir, and then we'll proceed ahead for the show. Come. Fish Curry Stories with Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar. A good day today. It's early morning. I'm around about 6 o'clock, and I'm on Kudal Highway. If you can see cars going by around. So what I'm going to do is today I've come to this local fisherman woman who is selling fish. I'm going to buy some good fish, a very unique fish. I'm going to buy like maybe a silver pomfret and maybe another oysters, which I'm going to cook today. So let's see what fish she has. My choice is silver pomfret and oyster. So let's see if she has that. We're going to make that. I can see a lot of people right now here. We are all the locals from this Kudal village, and I'm put up in a village that is called Salgaon. So I'm going to go do is I'm going to go back to Salgaon where I put up today. There is this lady in the neighborhood who is going to cook this fish recipe on an open air wooden stove, and we are going to have a feast over there. So let's see the fish curry stories with Nilesh Malkar in a very unique style, complete recipe, but in the local. Come on, let's see.
त्याच्यापेक्षा लहान हे असं खयचं तो गिरायक 200 रुपये.
हा कसा
200 रुपये
200
आणि काय
आणि कालवा कशी दिली?
कालवा 200 रुपये एक बरणी असा. ती जाग्यावरची जसं माझं काय नाही ते आपण काढू घेऊ. ते तसं ती सापवून देणार नाही. माती बिती काहीतरी असतं नाही त्याकडे
बरं काम करते बरणी दे.
दोन सांगते ना
2 बरणी खूप
नको
दे ना एक बरणी.
झाकण फुटलेला असा झाकण फुटलेला
Oh, so these are the oysters that we are going to cook with it. Fancy the oysters. तुला ती बनवली.
नक्का काय झाड होता फक्त
Oysters. कालवं.
असं ना 200
ना
असं
बरं हे दिला. तो एवढ्याला बोलला
ते 700 रुपये हा.
खूप जास्ती बोलतो.
मोठं आहे तुझं
The purchase has been done and look at the cost of the fish price in our container. I've got about 2 big silver pomfrets and a big container full of oysters. I just cost me 700 rupees. And Maushi, तुमचं नाव काय? Rashmi Padwal. She's always here on the highway. So anybody even coming to Pudala, बैग लाने के लिए बाबू को.
क्यों क्या करेंगे
Purchase of my oysters, that what I bought, that is called kalwa, and then this is our silver pomfret, and my favorite sardines, tarly. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a saute these oysters in onion and tomato, and that is a one recipe. Salgaonkar, who resides here in Salgaon, is one of the best chef here. Like how there are lots of houses here, but they come here just to have a feast at her house. And she cooks exclusive fish recipes. And I'm thankful to Mr. Bal Khanolkar, who is sitting behind. Like you've seen him in every episode of my Sawantwadi, Kuda and this Konkan area. So he is also one who has referred me that this is the best chef that we have. तर मॅम आज आपण काय काय करणार मग तुम्ही झालं कालवाचं बनवणार
कालवाचं
आहोत.
बनवलं आहे. हे कालवाचं
ओके
हे हलवा आहे
ओके.
ही तारली कोकणातली
दिस इज सार्डाइन,
कोकणात इकडे पण भेटते.
दिस इज सिल्वर पॉम्फ्रेट हलवा या
हलवा.
सारंगी,
हा.
and this is our oysters. So we are going to start cleaning first with the oysters actually. मॅम हे सगळं साफ कसे करायचे ते दाखवा.
साप ह्याच्यात मग हे
ओके.
असतं थोडस कस असतं
हा ते कसे काढायचे
काढायचे हे इथून असं काढून टाकायचं थोडस
जरा दाखवा त्यांना 2-3 पीस
हे काढले हे साफ झाले आता आणि मग ह्याचं धुवायचं.
ओके. काढलं यातलं.
हो काढलं नाही काढले होतीच नाही जास्त नव्हती.
अच्छा. सो
पण हे
इट
मी
इज
असे
ते काय
ठेवले.
असतं त्यांचं आतडी असते काय असतं.
जरा आतडी असं काही नाही सगळं चांगलंच असतं फक्त जरा कच्चे हे येतं ना
There is mud in it.
हा, हे.
So
बाकी
there are
चांगलं
lots of
असतं ते
because they
काढायला.
are found, you know, where
हा,
it is
ते
on the
पण
stone,
चांगलेच करतात.
and so they break up the stones and they
Ah.
remove this oysters. So they are normally covered up with with like you know like you get some kind of crispy kind of that rocky material in it, which is generally cleaned. So she has shown you now. See how see this piece. The way it is clean. These are our oysters. Is a smaller one, I'm sure. So, ma'am, मी तुम्हाला मदत करणार. I'm going to help her. So oysters have been cleaned here. You can see the cleaned oysters here. I will put back all these oysters in this. टाकू आता.
थोडंसं पाणी टाक.
Okay, पाणी. Yeah.
ही गाळणी. आमची गाळणी आणते. देवी गाळणी आणते जरा.
We'll wash all these also
गाळणी आणते.
because she has cleaned most of it. Because I'm a bit
छोटीशी आहे ना,
doubtful
पटकन.
whether I would be able to clean most of the mud from it. But you know, the seniors, like, they are very much clear about how to actually clean that dirt from that oyster.
नको नको नाही नाही चालेल.
Oh.
चांगलं आहे. नाही.
It's clean there. So, okay. So I'm going to. This is how the
काटा
pomfret,
कापायला घेते. आमच्याकडे कट करून आणते.
the style, clean up the fins properly.
टोमॅटो कापलेलं असतं. एवढंच.
So the fish has been cleaned. You can see the pieces of silver pomfret, the way we have cut it. We are going to fry these pieces, and these sardines will be used for the gravy. And as I told you earlier, our oysters, which I've kept in this bottle over here, will be used to do a dry kind of a saute thing. So, and one more thing, while making the oyster, after cleaning them properly from the mud and everything, there was a water that remains behind, which has been strained. so it has got that taste and flavor of that oyster, because some oysters tend to break during washing and cleaning. So she will pour this clean water actually, which has been strained, so there is no impurities or dirt in it. So now ma'am is going to show us, the first is the sardine curry that she's going to make. So the preparation for that. तर काय काय चालू करणार सांगा.
हे खोबरं आहे.
हा, अच्छा. So
खोबरं त्याच्यामध्ये
this is a grated coconut, raw grated coconut.
हळद टाकणार.
She'll add some turmeric in it.
हा त्याला पाहिजे तेवढं.
Okay, and then
लाल तिखट
okay, this is a spicy red chili that has been put into
थोडंसं
it. Acha,
कोकम
this
लाल तिखट. लाल तिखट.
red
red,
spicy,
red,
yeah,
red.
and it also contains coriander seeds powder also crushed in it, and a little bit of turmeric also. So they call it a fish masala in that way.
थोडासा पॅच.
Okay, and then some chopped onions. Okay, त्यानंतर okay, dhani. Coriander raw seeds. You can see a handful of them, not much. Okay, after that.
मग हे बनवताना परत कोथिंबीर टाकणार.
आता काही नाही ना.
काही नाही बस येतं.
व्हाईट ग्रेटिंग कोथिंबीर नको ना.
आता हा नाही नंतर हे ह्याला तिळपळ बोलतात आम्ही.
Okay,
छान
this is
होतं.
Indian
तिळपळ.
Sichuan pepper. That's what we call it.
हळदाची
These are turmeric leaves. Turmeric leaves. This lemon here. This is a original Gauthi lemon. We call it. These are very natural organic lemons grown in India. You can see on the fields on the side. We have got this green chili paste, which is contains like ginger, garlic, and coriander, and our favorite Garcinia indica kokum, and the same kokums Garcinia indica's syrup kokum agar, and this is the garam masala which contains Malwani masala, which contains all hard spices, all none of them been left aside, with certain kind of a red chili, that is a bedgi chilies that they put in it. And then we have we have got curry patta over here, turmeric here. So everything is ready. So now she will start the preparation. Now what she'll do is she will grate this and make it into a paste. In the meantime, we are taking we are trying to store up this wooden fire stove here. You can see. Okay. So we come back in another minute or two with this grated paste. So we'll start with the gravy first. चला करूया. Cut करू. So guys, the whole paste has been is ready right now. You can see the color that has come out. That grated coconut, red chili powder, turmeric, a little bit of onion, and coriander seeds. So this is ready now. She's going to start with the gravy. Okay. आता पहिलं काय टाकणार? Okay, in goes about 2 to 3 teaspoonful of oil. More. 3 oil.
बस
3 teaspoonful of oil. And goes in. Okay. These are just crushed garlic. Curry pasta. Okay. Some chopped onion. Naan. नहीं तो मतलब बटन डाल हम सॉरी कंटिन्यू करा
बस लाल गरम ते खोबरं टाकायचं त्याच्यात पाणी वाटायचं खोबरं ना
किसी को भी ध्यान में रखो प्रॉपर सब कवरेज करो कभी कभार आप चेस्ट लेवल पे भी जाया करो ये देखो ऐसे नीचे चेस्ट लेवल मतलब ये लेवल हाँ ये भी कर सकते the chopped onion and those crushed garlics are getting nicely sauteed and roasted अजून मीठ नाही ना टाकलं
नाही 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 आता खोबरं दाखवते
she is putting in a little bit of water in it when you very thick it and in goes the magic marination that actually gives you the taste
बस 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 ते मासे
अच्छा हे उकळ यायच्या अगोदरच सोडायचे
थांब जरा जरा थांब रेवा जरा उकळी येऊ दे
So now we are waiting
जरा उकळी येऊ दे
till the curry actually boils.
कांदा टाकलेला असतो हो
तो कांदा टाकून सॉटे केलेले नाही पकडला आग पकडली
खोबरं घालायचंय दुसरं आमटेचा थोडं नुसतंच कांद्याचं बनवणार आहे तुम्ही
तुम्ही कसं बनवता जनरली
हो कांदा पण घालतो दोन्ही टोमॅटो आणि कांदा पण
आणि थोडं सुका खोबरं हा ते टाकायचं म्हणजे आपलं ओलं खोबरं
ते भाजलंय भाजून ठेवले आम्ही
We were just discussing about making the oysters also. She was saying what I do prefer, but we generally put a little bit of grated coconut also while making the oysters. आपल्याकडे आहे ना
होय बनवलंय
We have
ते
the
बघायचं शूटिंगला येणार नाही ना
काय
लावलं नाही मिक्सरला अजून बनवून ठेवलंय खोबरं
हा चालेल पण त्याचे तुम्हाला परत मिक्सरला लावायचंय
हो हो मसाला
असंच
नाही, नाही.
ओके सफेद कलरचं
नाही होणार होणार तुम्ही बघा तुम्ही चिकनला आपण भाजतो ना काय
ओके
रसा.
ओके 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 ठीक आहे so I think you must have heard it she's going to dry roast the grated coconut and raw onion and that paste will be used for making of the oyster
मिठाचा डबा दुसरा आणतो मिठाचा डबा आण ना
मीठ पाहिजे अजून
नको कमी झालं तुला मी सांगितलं वाट्या भरून घे सगळे
नाही भरपूर आहे मला
मीठ तू बघ काय केलं
we are waiting for the boil to come to the pan. Once the boil comes, then we will let go in our sidelines. And these are the pieces of the silver powder, the head pieces. They won't be fried. They will be also pushed into the red curry for that it's with a nice flavor and be very tasty. Ali boil, no. Just look at how it is sizzling. Just show them. See. It started to heat up. Look at the vessel. Yeah, they started boiling. You can see the small bubbles coming
तर
out.
ह्याच्यावर आम्हाला पण नाही समजत जेवण बनवणं.
अच्छा. असं
बंद
बोलू
झालं
नका.
सगळं.
She is saying
हा, बस रे.
nowadays
बस घाल आता घाल आता
few
घाल.
people cook on this wooden stove fire. Yeah, I was hard time.
तसं पाणी वाढलं. तर कोकमात टाकूया. कोकमात टाकूया.
They are deciding to put in some of the calcium also in it. Okay.
त्याच्यात करूया.
हे मीठ जास्त नाही होणार ना.
नाही कोकम
The exact measurement.
हे सांगितलं काय
हे केव्हा टाकणार?
आता टाकणार थांबा
Okay.
जरा उकळू
You can see this Indian Sichuan paper.
ते दाखवलं ते झाडच
Yeah. They have a very different kind of way of using this.
फक्त दाखवली
They soak it in water for at least an
बस झाली
hour.
ना हो, बस झाली.
And some other places where I saw the recipe done, they just pushed in the
ती
dry
नुसती उकळतं ते
Indian Sichuan paper. That is the
Huh?
tilpala. But here, ma'am has got a different kind of a recipe where she
एका
soaks
टोपलीत
them in
घेतलं
water for
मिक्सरला
at
लावते.
least an hour. Then she will remove all this soaked one and then put it into the curry. So that add more
ती जरा
taste,
घेवली पाहिजे.
than the flavor.
दाबून घालायची पकडली दोन
हे घ्या.
पाहिजे नंतर उकळते रे शेव नंतर टाकणार उकळू दे चांगलं.
There. So, in the meantime, this has been cooked. We'll keep it aside and we'll go on to the second recipe. So now in goes our next recipe. We're putting up another vessel for the making of the oysters. Let the vessel get nicely heated up. Then the same procedure. कालवा रेग्युलर नाही खात इकडे. We'll go
टाकून
yeah, Karipata, which is giving nice crackling sound. That will also add a nice flavor. In goes this bowl full of chopped onions. And in will go there. She's sauteing it nicely. They are fried.
टोमॅटो घालू.
Goes the tomatoes, chopped onions. And some more time of again sauteing till even onion also becomes nice, soft. Cooking on a wooden stove fire is really absolutely the best thing. No doubt it's an hard work. It has caught fire now. पकडला त्यांनी.
उकळले बंद बंद कर बंद कर. आलं लसूण आलं
Now in goes the green chili paste, which is made of ginger, garlic, and raw coriander.
बघ मसाले
In goes about a teaspoonful of turmeric.
जरा मसाल्याची बरणी करून घेतली.
मसाल्याचा डब्बा आणला आजीचा.
मसाल्याचं नाही
हट्टू
In
खायचं
goes the red chili powder.
लाल तिखट.
Okay, that's the red chili
हा
powder.
मालवणी.
Now this is the Malwani masala which I always tell you is made with all hard spices like clove, pepper, nutmeg, star anise, cinnamon, and Bedgi red chilies.
हे ना.
There's also even black cardamom, green cardamom, all spices. All grinded together and you get a powder like that. It's called Malwani masala.
मिठाची बरणी आणतात ना. काय आणतात?
डुबी मिठाची
नाही तर मी टाकेन बस झालं.
In goes some salt. तेल पाहिजे अजून जरा.
मिठाची पीठ.
ह्याला तेल सुटलं.
बस
कसं सुटणार?
सुटलं होणार ते लाल होणार साईडच्या बरोबर.
अच्छा.
बस झालं बघा तुम्ही. मसाला नाही ग मिठाची भरणी सांगितलं.
ते बघा तेल सुटलं.
Ah.
साईड
See, the oil has started coming on the sides. That shows the sign that the onion, tomato, spices, everything has been cooked nice. And look at that. The oysters are nice. Even oysters will be cooked very fast.
शिजवतो लवतो. हो बरोबर आहे. आता कसं लागते खाऊन काय माहिती. पाणी टाकला ते वर काढून ठेवलेलं मी.
Okay. Now in goes that strained water which was actually kept aside of the oysters
बस
after cleaning them 2 times.
चांगलं असतं ते.
That will enhance the more flavor of that oysters in that
आता
gravy.
ढवळतो.
This will be a thick kind of a gravy like how we make a chicken or mutton gravy.
हो ते माशाचं मी घरात होते.
आपल्याला काय 2 पीस फक्त इथे तळलेले दाखवता येतील ना, बाकी सगळे आत तळा. तुमचा मसाला बिसाला लावून दाखवा, तळूया.
बरोबर.
तू तर आज जाऊन आता बघ.
मी चपात्या बनवायची म्हणजे तेच सांगते तिला. मसाला मी तू करशील मसाल्याचा का मी
आम्ही करतो.
मी दाखव मी पाहिजे.
चालेल, कसंही तुम्ही कसंही चालेल. ह्या दाखवतील.
हा तू दाखव मग. मसाल्याला कोकमला रेवा हा
हो
मी चपात्या बनवते ना.
कोकम आगळ सोडला याच्यात
कोकम माझा ह्याला लावला.
लावायला आहे. अच्छा, याच्यात कोकम सोडणार
ते घे ना.
फक्त. Okay.
हे लावून घेऊया काय आपण
हा,
तोपर्यंत
या
साईडला
या
हे
या
शिजते.
इथेच करून घेऊया. So in the meantime, the oysters are getting nicely boiled up there. We will start marinating the silver pomfret which is going to be fried. Here. Now let's see how she marinates the silver pomfret.
काय लावूया तर इकडे ये ह्या बघ आलं लसूण आहे.
ताटच घे ना वाटे कशाला. नाही नाही असं बसायला कोकम आगळटा.
Okay. In goes this Garcinia indica syrup.
हाताने घे असं.
She's rubbing the Garcinia indica syrup on the cut pieces of the silver pomfret. Bit of salt,
जरा हातात.
बस बस
नाही.
some more Garcinia indica.
हे घे. लसूण
In goes the garlic and ginger chili paste with some coriander in it. That is also rubbed on the fish.
त्यांना 2 फक्त घे आणि बाकीच्या घरात ठेवूया. हा बस. मसाला टाकू. लिंबू घेतलेलं आहे रे वा. लिंबू नाही कोकम टाकलंय हे
याला मालवणी मसाला पण लावणार.
जरासा टाक.
Okay.
छान लागतं.
Now we'll let this set for some time. Even that Malwani masala also will put on it. Red chili powder,
हा हा मालवणी.
and in goes the Malwani masala. Very little of it, just for the heck. Now she'll set it aside. थोड्या वेळ आपण आता बाजूला ठेवणार ना
बाजूला
याला.
ठेवून बंद. इथे घे रे वा. खाली नको ठेवू आता. आणि मग 4 हा तुला तव्यावर झाला आता इथे.
तऊ आणि माका तांदूळाचा पीठ.
तुला कपडा देते थांब रे वा.
Curry is getting cooked. What we are going to do is start the spices to be made for the oysters. And here we have the grated coconut which has been dry roasted and also onions in it. We'll make a paste of it which will be added for the oyster. Fish. So in another 10 to 15 minutes, this curry will need a boil and then it is ready. You can see the marination that she had added, the same coconut and raw onion which were roasted nicely on a pan and then grind it to a nice paste. The whole flavor actually oozes from that, including the flavor of the oysters. So now we will also keep this aside as it is nicely boiled and we'll wait for the table to come. Now the
आणि हे सून लागते ते.
So, guys, I'm back on this dining table for this afternoon lunch, and I'm so thankful first for Mr. Bal Khanolkar for actually arranging all these things in this native local coastal area where I'm getting to see these recipes and all these things. And secondly, it is Snehalata ma'am and Reva ma'am who had been a part of this complete recipe and they have executed this meal very nicely. तर स्नेहलता मॅम मला एक सांगा, तुम्ही सध्या म्हणजे आता काय करता, तुमचं कसं चालतं, काय काय घरचं, मुलं किती, काय आपण बोलूया जरा, लोकांना कळू द्या. तुम्ही चांगलं म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी that's what I've heard. She makes one of the best cuisine here. So there is a party actually over here. So generally she is called to make the food and even Reva. So कसं काय ते म्हणजे वाडीत की बाळ आल्यावरतीच फक्त पार्टी होते?
नाही, असं आम्ही करतो, सगळं ग्रुप आहे ना आमचा.
अच्छा,
मग हे असतात कधी नसतात, मग त्यावेळी पण आम्ही सगळे मिळून जातो.
ओके,
ते समजून
अच्छा. So तुम्ही राहिला आता कुठे म्हणजे कामाला? सॉरी, मी काय कामाला, तुम्ही आता रिटायर्ड? ओके, सो यू आर शी इज लिव्हिंग अ रिटायर्ड. अँड रेवा माहिती तुम्ही सांगा.
मी अंगणवाडीत आहे
ओके
आणि पार्ट टाइम असं काय काय करतो.
ओके ओके,
बचत गट आहेत आमचे.
अरे वा. सो दे बिलॉंग टू द, शी बिलॉंग्स टू दॅट बचत गट योजना. दॅट इज द women organization where they come together and we cook food, they supply tiffins and all. And apart from that, she is a teacher in the nursery group here. So that's a very fantastic thing. Handling all these things and again handling the kitchen. And that also with pure love, the food that has been made. Like I always say, की taste म्हणजे चव नुसती मसाल्यानी येत नाही, ज्या हातांनी बनते त्यांनी चव येते. So it is always the hand which actually creates the taste. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm starting to taste it. मी ना सगळ्यात पहिलं माझं फेवरेट कालवं आहे ना, ते मी टेस्ट करणार आहे. नो डाऊट त्यांची पण ताटं लागली आहेत. दे आर ऑल्सो ऑन द डिश, बट दे आर वेटिंग फॉर मी टू टेल यू हाऊ द टेस्ट इज. Nice, exactly like chicken mutton. There's no difference in that. I'm going to taste the gravy of Irda. That is the sardines. Wow. यामध्ये कोकम होती ना, so the tanginess of that, I always say the tanginess of the Garcinia indica fruit always gives a very yeah, and also there is a Indian Sichuan pepper, that was also added. That flavor actually goes on about. पण तुम्ही पण चालू करा जरा, स्टार्ट करा एका दोन पीस. And here is this silver fried pomfret, nicely fried. You have seen the quantity of oil that was put in. That was a nil oil. And the way it is fried, it is cooked in a very nice way. Soft, the flesh is still intact and soft. They have not completely dried up. Very nice. So let me enjoy this feast. In the meantime, we'll meet again the next episode. Bye bye and see you.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.